We are going on a hike to a waterfall today in the jungle. Can't wait. We are currently on the hike to the waterfall, and it's so fun. It's very steep, and there are some parts that are so steep you have to use a rope to climb up.
Take a water break because the next 30 minutes is going to be just to up. You can see the next platform that we're going to arrive in 30 or 40 minutes more.
Okay, so we're on platform 3, and this is the final platform before we start descending to the river and the waterfall, and apparently it's really hard and you have to focus a lot. So we'll see how it goes. Woo. We can hear the waterfall. That means we're almost there. It is very steep, like very steep. Okay, so we are down from the steepest part, and now we're walking along the river. We arrived! So we hiked to this awesome watering hole. It's the most beautiful clear color ever, and we jumped off in. It was freezing and scary, but fun. I'm still shaking, honestly. We had an amazing time swimming in that little waterfall pool and jumping off the little cliff, and so now we're just walking along the river back to the beach. It's fun. Huge. Oh my gosh, you can make a house out of that. Hey, we finished our hike. It was so fun, so fun. The best part was jumping off, which Heather made me do. Thanks to Heather.
So good at it.
So fun. It was a great 2.5-hour hike, and now we're probably gonna go into town or something like that. We are about to head to downtown Puerto Vallarta with the group and to get some souvenirs and look around. I'm very excited. These palm fronds are so huge. I'm blown away. I've never seen anything like them. They're so huge.